Why do you make that noise?
I don't know. You must just be a crazy driver.
Dad and Mommy, why do they...
Honey, just don't turn the wheel so much. Go in reverse.
So these help me to go faster.
What helps you go faster?
These.
Try it now. Don't run me over. Let me see you go.
But I'm like not rolling around.
It might just need to get charged up here.
What?
It might just need to get charged up.
But how? We need to work on it? You mean you have to work on it?
Kind of. Just gotta charge it.
Scarlett, are you going to learn how to fix cars like Daddy?
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir means Mommy, and Mommy means Daddy. Mommy and Daddy, are you going to play golf with me? Did I lost my golf balls right now? Or I didn't?
They're in the backyard.
I'm going to go get them.
What? No, they're in the backyard.
Where?
Go around that way.
Look at that.
What is it?
It's a bee walking in this place.
Don't touch him,
Why?
because he might sting you.
Sting me? But why?
Because bees sting. They don't really like to be bothered. Are you going to go get your golf balls?
But where are they?
They're in the back.
Where? I don't see them in here.
In the backyard.